In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Google Docs. Whether you're managing projects, clients, or any form of data tracking, seamlessly connecting Airtable with Google Docs can save you a lot of manual work and ensure that all your documentation is up to date effortlessly. So let's walk through the process step by step to get you up and running quickly. First things first, you'll need to open Google Docs on your computer or device. Here, we're going to create a template document that will serve as the foundation for all your future auto-generated docs. This document will include placeholders, which act as destinations for your Airtable data. To illustrate, let's say your template looks something like this. Client name followed by a blank space marked as /, client name, project at the top as / project name, and sections for start date and budget represented as / start date and / budget, respectively. Make sure you save this template in your Google Drive for easy access later. With your template ready to roll, it's time to head over to Zapier. If you haven't already, log into your Zapier account and let's create what's known as a Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. Once logged in, look for the option labeled Create Zap. Click on it, and we're ready to configure the process. For our next move, Airtable will be set as the trigger in our Zap. This means Airtable will prompt the workflow to start. Start by selecting Airtable from the list of trigger apps. You'll have several options for the trigger event. This could be a new record in view, or even an updated record, depending on your workflow needs. Connect your Airtable account securely and proceed by selecting the appropriate base and table you wish to pull data from. Always test this trigger to ensure everything is working correctly before moving on. Once your trigger is confirmed, Google Docs will be set as the action app. Here's where we create the document magic. Select Google Docs as your action app and opt for Create Document from Template as your action event. Connect your Google account so that Zapier can access and use the template document. Locate and select the template you crafted earlier. Now it's time to map your Airtable fields to the respective placeholders in your Google Docs template. This part is crucial. A correctly mapped document ensures smooth automation. Match each Airtable field with the designated Google Docs placeholders. Client name to client name, project name to project name, start date to start date, and budget to budget. With all fields correctly mapped, it's time for a test run. Initiate a test and hold tight while Zapier generates a new Google Doc using your Airtable data. Take a close look at the generated document to verify that everything looks as it should. Finally, after ensuring that the test is successful, you'll want to activate your Zap. Simply click on Publish or Turn on Zap, and voila, your setup is complete. From now on, every new record in Airtable will auto-generate a Google Doc, keeping your documentation up to date without breaking a sweat. And there you have it, a seamless integration that adds power to your productivity toolkit. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you.